Welcome back, guys. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm back. Okay, not really. I'm back for like a video or two. If you guys missed me, check out my other channel, the Codecademy. That is pretty much where I've been for the last month and a half. And what I'm here to talk about is Codecademy's new user interface. Now, this thing looks just stunning. It looks beautiful. If you guys don't already know Codecademy, a lot of people say Codecademy. That is politically incorrect, but its user interface was pretty simple. And if you guys use Codecademy, you might be able to make a case that Codecademy ripped off Codecademy in a certain way. But the interface for Codecademy is pretty straightforward. On your left side, you have, let's say, all your instructions and the details telling you what you're doing, the history behind it. On the right side is basically where you get things done. So what I mean by get things done is you pretty much input whatever you want to input. So let's say you are making a variable. You are learning how to use variables. On the left side, it would tell you things like variables are blah 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 blah, and on the right side you'd have to write your own variable, like create it. Right now what you are seeing is my own rock paper scissors game that I made in Python using random and import ints and all that good stuff. I guess I'll just play it while I talk. But it's a sleek white background for the user interface. But now their new one is, if you guys use Sublime Text too, it's somewhat like that. What it basically does is it's black. Well, it's sort of blackish bluish, dark blue in a way, and the left side is white, and that's still reserved for the instructions. But the entire right side, like 75% of the screen, is dedicated to you just writing code. And on top, let's say like on the top bars or whatever you want to call them, you can see which file you're using. So if you're working in the JavaScript tag, you can see the file right there. And let's say if you were working with HTML and CSS, I'm guessing that you can click between either one of them, and it just looks beautiful, really. The one thing that I did have a problem with, I think there's a bug. I don't know if there really is. For the instructions, there's like a box below and it had no instructions. Like, there was nothing. It was just like a gray rectangle there. I don't know if that was designed into it. I don't know. And when I clicked hint, I got a small window that said hint, another empty rectangle, and below it said close. Now the whole button was functional, but it didn't have a single text, so I'm guessing that there's a bug in that one also, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is Henry1502 Inc. Add, like, subscribe, comment below, check out my channel Codecademy. I'm out.